Oh, I got a man. All right, get your dancing shoes on. All right, Big Bennett. Sorry, I couldn't get you a backstage pass, but
yeah, I know. Randy, you all right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hop right over here and get a shot. I
got a half hour.
You good? Oh yeah, man. How you making out? Good. I'm liking a reggae beat, Sue. I'm doing a project in Jamaica. Okay. What's up?
All right, I got the bass. All right, there'll be another little kick in the bass guitar.
You got a whole world going on.
Yeah, it's a complicated setup. All right, big.
What's up, man?
All right, big.
Yeah, you ready?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, drums look good.
I've been practicing. I took off and practicing for 3 days.
Is that your